How do you say good morning in Spanish? Find out right here.
Buenos días,
Good morning.
buenas tardes,
Good evening.
buenas noches,
Good night.
buenas.
Hey,
Buenos días, ¿cómo estás?
good morning. How are you?
Buenos días a todos.
Good morning, everyone.
Buenos días, ¿dormiste bien?
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Buenos días, señora González.
Good morning, Mrs. Gonzalez.
Buenas, ¿qué tal?
Hey, how's it going?
¿Cómo amaneciste?
How did you wake up? How are you this morning?
Que tengas un buen día.
Have a great day.
¿Cómo dormiste?
How did you sleep?
Me alegra verte esta mañana.
I'm glad to see you this morning.
Feliz lunes.
Happy Monday.
Feliz martes.
Happy Tuesday.
Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share this with someone. And if you want to keep learning Spanish, click right here.